Hey there, Room 4, it's Mrs. Salgado. I hope you had a wonderful first day in our classroom. Parents, your children took home a cute little pigeon handprint because we read The Pigeon Has to Go to School. It's a hilarious story about a pigeon who isn't too sure if school is right for him. I thought it'd be a good idea to read it to you all tonight. So enjoy the story, and kids, I'll see you tomorrow.
The Pigeon Has to Go to School. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. Come on! The pigeon has to go to school. Wait! Don't read that title! Too late. Rats. Why do I have to go to school? I already know everything. Go on, ask me a question. Any question. Well, I know almost everything. Does school start in the morning? Because you know what I'm like in the morning. It's not pretty. I wish I was a little chick again. A little itty bitty not going to school baby wavy pigeon. What if I don't like school? What if I really don't like it? What if I really, really don't like it? What if? What if the teacher doesn't like pigeons? And the stuff! What about all the stuff? There is so much stuff to learn. What if I learn too much? My head might pop off. I'm scared. What will happen at school? What if there's math or numbers? Why does the alphabet have so many letters? Reading can be hard with one big I. What about lunch? What will the other birds think of me? Will finger paint stick to my feathers? What's up with those heavy backpacks? I'm a fragile bird. The unknown stresses me out, dude. There should be a place to practice those things, with experts to help you, and books, and classrooms, and other birds to work and play with. Maybe a playground. Oh, that is school. Well, how am I supposed to get there anyway? Wah! Step aside, coming through. The pigeon has to go to school. The end. I hope you enjoyed The Pigeon Has to Go to School by Mo Willems.